Yeah, hey everybody, I'm at the car wash, right? Tires and everything, like painting my engine clean. Ironically, if you look up there, I don't know if you can see them or not. There's 3 big fat pigeons up there. There's 3 of them sitting up there. Yeah, I had one of them over here, and that sucker was getting ready to arm and load himself. I said, "Don't you do it." I chased him away with some water. They're just kind of sitting there watching me. Yeah. Yeah, I'm using a little engine tire cleaner here on this thing. Trying to make sure it's... Some people are like, "You don't worry about cleaning your engine." I'm like, well, you know, I mean, it's there. Just trying to... This thing is pretty dirty, as I showed in a video earlier. So make it look good, you know. Yeah. Well, I've got enough on the other side anyway, so it's okay. Gotta let that set for a few minutes and try to keep those birds at bay. Hey, y'all just stay right there, birds. Yeah. I may have to put this one on Twitter. Bird joke. Yeah. I'm gonna sit in the car for a few minutes and let this stuff kind of work. Yeah, those darn birds, man, like you suckers. You can probably see them a little bit better now. Birdie, birdie, turdy, turdy. Little creepers. And one just took a dump. You saw it, one just dropped a shit. Oh, man. Oh, man. Yeah, I literally washed my car like a couple of months ago, I think it was. Just washed it off, and one's right, and as soon as I did, they shit right on the top. I was like, "Are you kidding me?" Yeah, they're looking. How can I get a good shot, man? Let's see if I can hit them from here. Yeah, third one's still up there. I'm kind of watching those little suckers, boy. Oh, man. Poop City, man, when they get busy. That's bad. You just wash your car right. As soon as you do. Oh, well. Hey, thanks for watching. And as always, in the name of Jesus, be blessed, be safe, be healthy, be at peace. Try to love each other. I'm out. Bye.